Hi everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below. This is the reading for Sagittarius for the month of January 2021. Okay, so let's check it out. This time this is a very different pattern of reading. Okay, since it's new year, something different, right? Okay, what are the messages for the month of January? Okay, messages for the month of January 2020. Okay, 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 Sagittarius, there is an adventure waiting for you. You are going to travel somewhere, you're going to explore somewhere, you're going to relocate, you are going to shift. Okay, you are thinking of traveling somewhere, you are going for an adventurous place. Okay, in the new year, like January 2021. Okay, so there's one wish fulfillment which you want to get fulfilled. I think in the month of January or February it is going to get fulfilled soon. Okay, and there's a new beginning waiting for you. Like, Sagittarius, if you have been stagnant for so long, from last so many months, okay, there's a new beginning waiting for you. You are going to take a new risk about your life. Okay, which is very good, to be honest. You might be going through a lot of dreams related to something, either career or relationship. A lot of dreams. Universe is trying to communicate to you through your dreams. Okay, and I think you are just going with the flow, not thinking about anything, just going with the flow in the month of January. Just think about your dreams, because you are getting a lot of dreams and universe is trying to communicate with you through your dreams, Sagittarius, which is way too good. Okay, so let's check it out. What will be the theme for the month of January for you guys? Theme for the month of something is ending, either a relationship, either a career, anything. Something is ending, and something new is starting. The same pattern which has you have been going through for so many months, that thing is ending. It might be a relationship ending, it might be a betrayal energy is ending, it might be anything. Something is ending, something is coming into full circle, and a new beginning is waiting for you in the month of January. Like, new beginning is starting. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon in the month of January, which is way too good, guys. That's beautiful. Okay, so let's check it out. What comes under actions and opinions? Actions and opinions. What comes under actions and opinions? Actions and opinions. Okay, so you are just being emotional enough in the month of January, guys. Okay, you are just going to be very emotional. At the same time, there is a major decision which you have to take. Okay, a major reconciliation might take place for the people who are in separation for so long. You might think to take an action towards reconciliation, or thinking about having a reconciliation with your partner. Okay, or taking a major decisions about your life when it comes to your relationship or about your career. Okay, you'll be very much concerned about it. Okay, what comes under communication and conversation? Communication and conversation. Okay, so communication and conversation, it comes that you are healing, you're going through some major healing. I think you are just trying to heal your heart chakra. Okay, with someone, which was your wish fulfillment, and right now you're not taking anything, you're just healing yourself, you're healing your heart chakra. And I think there's a certain wish fulfillment which you want to happen in conversation and communication, and that wish fulfillment is blocked from the universe side. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. but I think a lot of healing energy is there, and I think whatever you want, whatever you are communicating with the universe, that will happen certainly and definitely at the divine timing, not now but at a divine timing. Okay, so yeah, so let's talk about romance and relationship and romance. Relationship and romance. Sagittarius, you are thinking to move away, leave the past behind and move forward towards a new energy, towards a new life, towards a new relationship, towards a new person, towards anything. New love might be entering into your life, or you want to move forward towards something new, new opportunities, right? So you are not going to act when it comes to your past love, but at the same time you are leaving the past behind. Mentally you are prepared to move, and I think in the month of January you will leave the past behind physically, and you will take an action towards moving on. Okay, it might be an independent energy, it might be a single energy, but you will be taking action towards moving forward in your life. Okay, it might be towards, might be leaving the past behind or a situation behind, and you are moving towards a new love, or towards your partner who was in separation, or it might be something that you are leaving the past behind and you are moving forward towards someone or something, towards your love, towards your partnership, or towards a new opportunity which is coming towards you. It can be anything. Okay, okay, what comes under money and finance? Money and finance. Money and finance. Money and finance. What comes under money and finance? Okay, so money and finance. Okay, Sagittarius, there's a wish fulfillment happening for you. That is important. I'm telling you that a wish fulfillment related to money and financial life. There's a major wish fulfillment is about to come true in the month of January. Okay, related to money and finance, and I think you will be into your own power, and I think that will wish fulfillment will start taking, or will start aligning from January, but within next 9 months you will get your wish fulfilled. There's certain wish of yours, Sagittarius, which is not coming true for so long, but in the month of January I think it will start happening, it will start realigning universally, and that wish is about to come true for you. Okay, you just be into your own power, you just be loyal, you just be caring, you just be into your own power. Do not lose hope, because there is a wish fulfillment happening for you. Okay, and that will be very good. Like, wish fulfillment is about to come true for you guys, which is way, 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 way too good. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasool Tarot Prediction. Bye bye.